In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an About Us page on Shopify. This page is one of the most important sections of your online store, as it gives visitors insight into your brand story, values, and what makes you unique. Let's dive right in and create a compelling About Us page that truly represents your business. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. It's where you'll manage everything related to your store, and knowing your way around here really makes the process easier. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen, and you'll see the option labeled Online Store. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will display. From this menu, select Pages. This section is your go-to for creating and managing all the standalone content pages on your site. Now that you're on the Pages screen, you want to add a new page. So over on the top right, there's a button that says Add Page. Clicking on this takes you to a blank page form where you can start crafting your About Us information. For the title of the page, simply write About Us. This is the universal keyword for such a page, and it makes it easy for customers to find what they're looking for. Now, let's move on to the main content section. Here, you want to creatively, yet clearly, present the essence of your brand. Talk about how and why you started your business, any interesting backstories, and the mission or goals you have. It's also great to include things like your company culture or values, and maybe even introduce some team members. This adds a personal touch and can resonate more with your audience. Just ensure your writing remains concise and engaging. If you have any high-quality images or videos that illustrate your story or your processes, you should include those as well. People tend to connect with visuals, so they can enhance your storytelling effectively. Just make sure your media files are optimized for web use to keep your site loading fast. Once you're happy with the content, scroll down to the Visibility section. If you've scheduled a launch for this page, you can set a specific publish date here. Otherwise, you can leave it set to Visible to publish it right away. Before you finalize everything, it's always a good idea to preview your page. Take a moment to click the Preview button, allowing you to see exactly how your page will look to your customers. After reviewing and making any necessary tweaks, you're ready to publish the page. Simply hit the Save button in the top right corner. Your About Us page is now live and part of your Shopify store's navigation. Thanks for watching. By following these steps, you've created an About Us page that not only describes your business but also builds a connection with your audience. Don't forget to update it as your company evolves over time. Tune in next time for more tips on enhancing your online store experience.